In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can become a HubSpot affiliate and start monetizing your influence. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do to join their affiliate program seamlessly. To start, you'll need to navigate to HubSpot's official website. If you haven't been there before, just type hubspot.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here, you'll see a variety of links related to different HubSpot resources and programs. What you're looking for is the Affiliate Program link. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're on the Affiliate Program page, you'll have to click on the Become an Affiliate button. This will take you to a new section dedicated to explaining how you can start monetizing your influence. It's a good idea to read through this information carefully. It provides valuable insight into how the program works, what it offers, and how it can benefit you. Understanding these details will be beneficial as you move forward. Once you're done reading, look for the Contact Us to become an affiliate link. Clicking this will lead you to a page where you can express your interest in joining the affiliate program. Here, you'll find a form that allows you to write an email directly to HubSpot. Take this opportunity to convey your interest in becoming an affiliate, explaining how you plan to integrate HubSpot's offerings into your content or marketing strategies. After you submit your email, keep an eye out for a confirmation email from HubSpot. This email is an acknowledgement of your application and initiates the next steps. The email will guide you to fill out an application form, which is crucial for the review process to be completed. Ensure that you enter all required information accurately to help streamline your application. Once you submit your application, HubSpot's team will review it. This step may take some time as they assess whether you're a good fit for their program. If your application is accepted, you'll receive an email with access to your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is essential as it contains your unique affiliate tracking links. With access to your dashboard, you're now equipped to start promoting HubSpot. You can copy your affiliate links and integrate them into your content, whether it's on your website, in blog posts, or through email marketing efforts. These links will allow you to earn commissions based on the traffic and conversions you generate for HubSpot. That wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a HubSpot affiliate and leveraging your platform for monetization. As always, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and insights.